Hey guys, it's Kirsten with Kitty Hawk Kites here. We've had a lot of questions about assembling your wooden whirligigs, so we're going to go over that today. You're going to get one little mobile like this, 3 rivets, and 3 feather sets. We're going to take the feather sets. There's a little hole in the back of each whirligig. The feather sets are going to go on with the feathers pointing outwards. That way we're able to catch the wind and spin correctly rather than catching the spinner. The easiest way to do this is going to be using the table. So we're going to first slide your little rivet in through the little wooden bead. Then you're going to take your whirligig, and there's a hole in the back. You're going to push the rivet in through the hole. Now be careful here not to slip because these rivets are sharp. Once you have it in a little bit, what I like to do is use the table and just kind of push gently and wiggle at the same time. Make sure that you push straight because that will make certain that the feather doesn't get bent and that it spins properly. It doesn't have to go all the way in because you want that ball to have room, but you want to make sure that it's in well enough that your feathers don't fly off because of the friction. And that's how you assemble.